with a while loop that has a break in it. Now, I'm going to show you a special way to do it that I like doing it this way. It's cleaner. It may be tough to wrap your head around initially, but once you understand it, it'll be something that's got a lot of power to it, and you'll use it. So they've given us these same things that we had before. So this is going to be the same logic we had before to a degree, but instead of a for loop, we're going to do it with a while loop. So while a certain condition is true, we're going to go through and do this. Number of times will be 10. So let's say while, and rather than saying while a certain condition exists, I'm just going to say while true. I say, what do you mean while true? If I have a condition, the condition is being evaluated to see if it is true or false. So that's what we keep checking. I said, I don't even want to put a condition in there. I'm just going to jump straight into the loop. So rather than saying while something is equivalent to true, or while something is a true statement, I'm just going to say while true. That starts us. That gets us in there. And what is it that we want to do? Well, it's the same thing we had before. Print C head 1 plus, and I want to have number, and that'll be the first one. And I come down and I copy that. I need to convert it to a string. I did forget that. So we'll go ahead and copy it, so I don't have to retype as much. And this one is number times 2. And this is the same syntax we just had in that last exercise. So this is identical. That'll be 10. This will be 2. And this will be 3. So that prints out exactly the same as we had before. Now what we don't have is number. I don't have number. And I need to come up with number. We've got to define what it is. So up here in my variables, I'll declare it and initialize it to 0. So when I get here the first time, what's the value of number? It's 0. So that'll go through and it'll be number, number, number. Let's hit down here and we'll say number equals number plus 1. So that increased it. And I'll say if number is greater than 10. If number is greater than 10. I don't want to keep doing this anymore. So I'm going to test to see, have I hit my upper limit of 10 right here? And if I have hit the upper limit of 10, the last time, if I've exceeded it, let's get out. So this counts. So if I went through, printed the 10th one, increase it by 1. Are we at 11? Yes. Now I want to get out. And how do we get out? Well, we break. That's all we do. We just break. So if I run this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I could have said here, while number is greater than or equal to 0, but that's going to be a true statement the whole time. So it's moot. So this gets us in there. And it doesn't matter if I want 0 is greater than or equal to, or number is greater than or equal to 0. I just said while true. Let's start this loop. And we're going to do this loop a specific number of times. Increase that counter each time. So here's our counter, or incrementer. These are the output statements. Here's how I get out. Here's my break. Okay. So if I test this, see what it says. It could say I've got a problem with you just trying to skate by with a true, but no, it says I'm fine. All right. So we'll see you in the